Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining us today. I'm excited to share some fascinating insights into a unique aspect of the natural world. Today, we'll be discussing poisonous seeds, an intriguing yet often overlooked topic in botany and ecology. Poisonous seeds are the reproductive structures of certain plants that contain toxic compounds, which can be harmful or even lethal to humans and animals if ingested. These seeds serve various ecological purposes, such as deterring predators and promoting seed dispersal in a way that benefits the plant. These seeds are found in a variety of natural habitats, ranging from tropical rainforests to temperate woods and arid deserts. Each species has adapted to its environment in unique ways, developing toxins as a means of survival. Throughout our discussion, we will explore specific examples of poisonous seeds, their ecological roles, and the fascinating adaptations that allow them to thrive in their respective habitats. Let's dive into this captivating topic together. Poisonous seeds are seeds of plants that contain toxins, which can be harmful or even lethal to humans and animals if ingested. These toxins are often a defense mechanism for the plant. Below are some examples of plants with poisonous seeds. 1. Castor bean, Ricinus communis. Contains ricin, one of the most toxic substances known. Even a small amount can be fatal if ingested. 2. Rosary pea, Abris precatorius. Contains abrin, a toxin similar to ricin. The seeds are highly toxic if chewed or crushed. 3. Apple and cherry seeds, Malus domestica, Prunus avium. Contain small amounts of amygdalin, which can release cyanide when metabolized. Usually, a large amount is required to cause harm. 4. Foxglove, Digitalis spp. Contains cardiac glycosides, which can disrupt heart function. All parts of the plant, including seeds, are toxic. 5. Jimsonweed, Datura stramonium. Seeds contain tropane alkaloids such as atropine and scopolamine. Can cause hallucinations, seizures, and even death. 6. Strychnine tree, Strychnus nux vomica. Seeds contain strychnine, a powerful neurotoxin. Used historically as a poison. 7. Yew tree, Taxus spp. Seeds and other parts, except the red aril, contain taxines, which are highly toxic. Can cause cardiac arrest. 8. Golden chain tree, Laburnum spp. Seeds contain cytisine, which can cause nausea, vomiting, and respiratory failure. If you suspect someone has ingested a poisonous seed, seek medical attention immediately and, if possible, bring a sample of the plant for identification. Avoid handling these seeds without proper precautions. Poisonous seeds can be harmful because they contain toxic compounds that interfere with normal bodily functions when ingested, inhaled, or even touched in some cases. The severity of harm depends on the type and amount of toxin, as well as the individual size, health, and sensitivity. Here's how poisonous seeds can be harmful. 1. Ingestion. Toxic compounds. Many seeds contain alkaloids, glycosides, or proteins like ricin or abrin that can disrupt critical biological processes. Symptoms. Ingesting poisonous seeds can cause nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, confusion, seizures, or even organ failure and death in severe cases. 2. Cyanide poisoning. Some seeds, e.g., apple, cherry, peach, contain amygdalin, which releases cyanide when metabolized. Cyanide inhibits cellular respiration, depriving the body of oxygen. Effects can lead to dizziness, shortness of breath, seizures, or cardiac arrest. 3. Cardiac effects. Seeds like those from the foxglove or yew tree contain cardiac glycosides or taxines that disrupt heart rhythms. Effects: irregular heartbeat, low blood pressure, or cardiac arrest. 4. Neurotoxicity. Seeds like those of the strychnine tree contain neurotoxins that overexcite the nervous system. Effects: severe muscle spasms, seizures, or respiratory paralysis. 5. Hallucinations or psychotropic effects. Seeds of plants like jimsonweed contain tropane alkaloids, which act on the central nervous system. Affects hallucinations, confusion, and in high doses coma or death. 6. Allergic reactions. Handling or ingesting seeds can cause allergic reactions in some people. Affects rash, itching, swelling, or anaphylaxis in severe cases. 7. Long-term damage. Chronic exposure to small amounts of toxins can cause long-term health problems such as liver or kidney damage. What increases risk? Chewing or crushing, breaking seeds, e.g., rosary pea, castor bean, releases more toxins. Children and pets, smaller body sizes mean less toxin is needed to cause harm. Improper handling. Some seeds are toxic when touched, e.g., seeds containing irritant compounds. Safety measures. Avoid consumption, never eat unknown seeds or plants. Handle with care, use gloves if handling potentially toxic seeds. Seek medical help. If poisoning is suspected, call a poison control center or go to the hospital immediately. Understanding and respecting the toxicity of certain seeds can prevent accidental poisoning. Protecting human life from poisonous seeds involves education, prevention, safe handling practices, and timely intervention in cases of exposure. Here's how to minimize the risks. 1. Education and awareness. Learn about local plants. Be familiar with the toxic plants in your region and their seeds. Teach children, educate children about the dangers of eating unknown seeds or plants. Label plants. Clearly label any potentially toxic plants in gardens or public spaces. 2. Prevent exposure. Avoid consumption. Never eat seeds unless you are certain they are safe. Avoid foraging without proper knowledge. Control access. Keep poisonous seeds/plants out of reach of children and pets. Fence off areas with toxic plants in gardens. Dispose safely. Properly discard toxic seeds after removing them from plants to avoid accidental ingestion. 3. Proper handling. Wear protection, use gloves and wash hands thoroughly after handling toxic seeds. Avoid crushing. Do not chew, crush, or break seeds like castor beans or rosary pea, as this increases toxin exposure. 4. Regulations and guidelines. Restrict cultivation. Advocate for policies to limit the cultivation or sale of highly toxic plants like castor beans in residential areas. Informative packaging. Ensure seeds for gardening or decorative purposes come with clear warnings if they are toxic. 5. Emergency preparedness. Know poison control numbers. Save the local poison control hotline in your phone. In the U.S., the Poison Control Helpline is 1-800-222-1222. First aid knowledge. If swallowed, do not induce vomiting unless instructed by a medical professional. Skin contact. Wash the area thoroughly with soap and water. Seek immediate help. Take the person to the hospital if symptoms like nausea, dizziness, or difficulty breathing appear. 6. Community and institutional roles. Public education campaigns. Organize awareness drives about poisonous plants and seeds. School programs. Include basic plant safety in school curriculums. Garden and landscaping. Use non-toxic plants in public spaces and playgrounds. 7. Medical and scientific advancements. Antidotes and treatments. Support research into antidotes for common plant toxins like ricin or abrin. Emergency kits. Equip households and schools with first aid kits containing activated charcoal, which can absorb some toxins if administered quickly. By combining awareness, prevention, and preparedness, communities and individuals can significantly reduce the risks posed by poisonous seeds. If you've ever encountered poisonous seeds or have an interesting story to share about your experience, we want to hear from you. Drop your stories in the comments below, let's learn from each other. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more like it, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for even more fascinating content. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching.